G'day everyone and welcome back. So down here at my firewood area, it's where the splitter normally lives, where we stage all the firewood for winter. We're going to do a bit of a tidy up today, get rid of all this bark and all the refuse on the ground, reset all the pallets on both sides, load up the ute and then just generally tidy up the area. So we got our piles. We've done 3 piles, not a huge cleanup, but the area is looking much better, as you can see. And coming into bushfire season, we certainly don't want all this sort of dry fuel sitting on the ground, so let's get it in the ute and get rid of it. So what are we going to do with this? So the previous owners dumped a heap of concrete and building rubble here on this flat sort of section. I think maybe they were going to put a building or a shed here. Anyway, every 6 months when I clean up the woodyard, all the scraps go here, and eventually, one day, all this will be covered. I think you'll agree that's much better.